mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow there in gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love.
So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use for our recipe this afternoon. Yep, we need salt, so I'm adding this to the pile. We have diced tomatoes, tomatim, and this is shatta or the chili, and this is rehan or basil, and this is tum or garlic, basal or onion, gingerbir or ginger, and we have, instead of using zed or oil, I will be using margarine. And these are our fried fish, oyster sauce, mama al
كنبل
هذا
صلصة
صح؟
صلصة حامر
ساسا أحمر
صلصة أحمر
أحمر
red.
yeah, and this is the soy sauce, my favorite garlic powder. I add this to everything, and filfil pepper and mile or salt, and this is my knife of all season, sikin. So my phone shut down a while ago because it's so hot here in South Sudan right now, so it shut down. It keeps on telling me high temperature, needs to shut down. So now we are going to put the sauce. Min falat shilu. Can I get this? This one?
Yeah.
Bara? Shilu? Bara?
شيل سما برا
Yeah.
هنا نجيب طاولة.
لا هذا.
طاولة مفول.
We're gonna
عايزة شي صوت here.
no, but can we put this down?
The first.
La, this one, we put it down. Okay, so this is the fish that I just cooked. The quality of the video is not really nice. I'll bring it outside to show it to you. This is how it looks like.